Hello everyone, this time we are going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula that we're going to use if the given is Celsius is degree Fahrenheit is equal to the quantity of 9/5 times degree Celsius, the value of C, plus 32 degrees. We have here example, convert 15 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. First step is you are going to copy the formula. So your solution will be again, first step is to copy the formula. So we have degree F is equal to the quantity of 9/5 times Celsius plus 32 degree. Second is apply the substitution method. Pag sinabi po nating substitution method, you're going to substitute, palitan yung C, yung degree C dito sa formula ng 15. Okay po? So copy po ulit. We have degree F is equal to the quantity of 9/5 times, again, the value of Celsius is equal to 15 plus 32 degree. Next, copy degree F. Then, we have here a whole number and a fraction. 15 whole number, 9/5 is a fraction. We need to transform or convert 15 to a fraction. But kung expert na when multiplying a whole number in the fraction, you can directly multiply 15 to the numerator. Okay? Pero para sa iba, para hindi malito kung bakit naging ganito yung sagot, again, make 15 is a fraction. Since it is a whole number, you are going to add 1 sa denominator. So, copy quantity of 9/5 times 15/1 plus 32 degree. Okay? Yan. Fractions na po yung dalawa nating numbers. Then, simply multiply the fractions. If you are going to multiply fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, 9 times 15, that is equal to 35. Copy, degree F is equal to 135 over 5 times 1, that is equal to 5, plus 32 degree. Okay? Sa temperature, is it okay to have a decimal number? Yes, okay lang po na magkaroon ng decimal final answer. Kaya ang gagawin natin dito, instead of getting the LCD, just simply convert this fraction to a decimal number. So, ito muna ang convert natin into decimal number. How are we going to convert that? Use the division operation or divide these numbers. So, we're going to use the long method. 5 will be your divisor and 135 is your dividend. Yung nasa loob, yung parang bahay. This one. Okay, so let us divide. Gamitin muna natin yung 2-digit nitong dividend, 1 and 3. So, ilan ang 5 sa 13? Again, ilan ang 5 sa 13? So, we have 2. Okay? 2. Next, yung quotient mo dito, you're going to multiply it to 5. 2 times 5, okay, that is equal to 10. Then, subtract 13 minus 10, that is equal to 3. We still have 5. Bring down 5. Repeat the process. Ilan ang 5 sa 35? Or 35 divided by 5, that is equal to 7. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Then, subtract ulit, 0. Since nag-0 yung ating remainder, then this will be our quotient, 27. So, write it here. Okay, dito ko na po isusulat. So, copy, degree Fahrenheit is equal to the quotient, kanina, that is equal to 27 degree plus 32 degree. Then, to get your final answer, just simply add these two numbers. 27 degree plus 32 degree, that is equal to 59 degree. Okay? So, this is now your final answer. So, ibig sabihin, ang 15 degree Celsius is equal to 59 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Yun lang po. Salamat po.